Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number, and let's start with your contact list. So let's open it, let's find the contact you want to block and tap on it. So as you can see, in this way you can block the number you've got currently saved. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right lower corner and tap on block contact. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that from now on your device will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, remove from the blacklist, but let's leave it there because in the second way we will actually enter the blacklist. So the second way requires opening the dialer, so this phone section, and tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can tap on blocked, and right here we've got the call block rules and message block rules. So of course you can customize it here. You can, for example, block all incoming calls or block all incoming messages, etc. So you can customize it just like you want to, but let me focus on entering the settings which are in the right upper corner, because here we can actually enter the blacklist, which is right here. So let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got the Timmy number added here, so the previous option also worked. And here in this way, which is more manual, we can simply tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, we can add manually, we can block prefix from contacts, call logs, messages, up to you. You can simply tap on the option, and as you can see, we can enter the number and confirm it with OK. It will immediately appear on the blacklist. To remove the number, simply tap on it and hold it, and now you can freely mark all of them and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, the blacklist is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.